Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. So these new faux suede jackets from Time and True. They have this smaller collar, bigger tortoise buttons, a side pocket, button detail on the wrist. Inside, this soft, stretchy material. It's more of a shorter, boxy fit. And then the back has the same detail. So it comes in black, also in this taupey beige, and they're $29.98. Cargo pony pant from Free Assembly. So these have an elastic waistband, the side pocket, flat pockets through the leg, and then the same fit through the back with no pockets. And they will be linked down below. New sweater dress from Time and True. So this one has the crew neckline, ribbed sleeve, relaxed fit with the ribbed bottom. This one looks like it's only available online, and they're $19.98. New tie front sweater from No Boundaries. So these have that high neckline, that tie detail, relaxed to the wrist, shorter through the front and back. Also comes in the black, and they're $15.98. So new textured tee from Time and True. So this has that scoop neckline, short sleeve, stretchy. I think I saw online they did have them in the long sleeve now as well. Comes in the green. There's also a black, and they're $9.98. This kimono online is from Jessica Simpson, and these are on sale. Cheaper than the leopard, but they're in the same listing. So how pretty is this multicolor, the little tie front, and then they're regularly $29. I think they're on sale for $21. And these dresses from Time and True were on sale. They have the plunging vase full button, puff sleeve, tiers. This one's online only with the belt. They have a bunch of different prints and colors, regularly $19.98. The black and white. Oh wait, maybe they did have them in the store. Yeah, they did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are on sale online. They have this black and beige print. New Henley long sleeves from No Boundaries. These have the plunging V functioning buttons. So soft. Fitted through the wrists. In the gray. Also comes in red and black. And they are going to be $8.98. Have the ribbed flare pants in red now. So these are super soft, stretchy, perfect amount of flare. They also have them in black, I think a purple color and green, and they're $7.98. The waffled leggings from No Boundaries. So these look like they're mid-rise. They have this lace-up detail, textured, super soft, stretchy material with the perfect amount of flare. Same fit through the back. In the pink, also comes in black, and they're $9.98. Henley sweaters from No Boundaries. So these have that scoop neckline, the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. It's really soft, stretchy, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in pink, also in the ivory, and they are going to be $15.98. Also new zip pullovers from No Boundaries. So these have the mock neck when it's zipped. Inside it's a soft fleece, has that drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. These are really stretchy. And the purple also comes in black. There's ivory, and then the light blue color we're seeing a lot of. Back here, it's the blue. And they are going to be $12.98. Also new cargo sweatpants from No Boundaries. So these have that soft fleece, the flat pocket through the leg. They're wide to the bottom, and the same fit through the back. And the ivory also comes in the black, and they are $12.98. So new high-rise cargo jeans from No Boundaries. So these have that pork chop pocket, also the side pocket, faded through the front, elastic through the back with pockets, and they're $18.98. New belted trouser from No Boundaries. So these are stretchy material. That's what it looks like up close. Has the side button, zip, flare, and then no pockets in the back. And they're $14.98. Also new flare sweatpants from No Boundaries. So these are high rise. They have that super soft fleece, the perfect flare at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. They have gray and they're $12.98. Also have this style sweatpant from No Boundary. So these have this soft fleece side pocket. They have the little toggle at the bottom so you could do jogger or straight leg. And then the same fit through the back. And these are $13.98. They also have them in the brown with the purple trim. And right next to that, another flare. So these are mid-rise. It's a plush pocket. That's what it looks like up close. A little bit of a flare. And then flat pockets on the back, that same kind of like plush material. It matches back to the V-neck sweatshirt that I shared in a haul and then like in a few other shop with me's. And they also come in the brown. I don't think we saw a brown sweatshirt yet. And those are $13.98. So no seamless long sleeves from No Boundaries. These have the scoop neckline, super soft, stretchy, fitted through the wrist. And then the same through the back. Comes in gray and the blue, and they're $8.98. So new scoop long sleeve tee. These have that crew neckline, super soft, stretchy, fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front and the back, but not cropped. And they're $9. Sneak peek plush pullovers from No Boundaries. So these have the quarter zip drop sleeve, the elastic wrist, side pockets, a little toggle on the side. In the blue with the mountains, also comes in white with the bear. There's pink, ivory, black, plum, leopard, and then how pretty is the Fair Isle. And these are going to be $12.99. Also new cardigans from No Boundaries. So these have the plunging V oversized buttons, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrists. Same fit through the back, and the beige and brown bear, also the black and white floral. And they're $16.98. So seeing a new color in the pin straight mini skirt from No Boundaries. So this one has a belt, little pleated detailing. We saw it in the navy. Now it's in the black and white, and they are $11.98. Color in the Gloria Vanderbilt button-down shirt. So pretty sure a lot of the colors in this are on sale. Has the smaller collar tab sleeve and a little bit of shimmer. Full button. Now in this blue and purple, we also saw the pink and burgundy, and they are regularly $21.98. A waffle jacket from Avia. So this one has that seamless textured material with the ribbing, also that same kind of seamless bottom with the hood in the back. And the pink also comes in gray and the black. And they are $21.98. It's a new print in the $8 sleep shirts from SWEATSPANTS. So these have that crew neckline, super soft, stretchy. We saw the bow. Oh no, yeah, I think we saw the bow and the dogs. Now they also have this red plaid. It says Mary. How cute. There's the bears, Sweet Dreams in the gray. Pink and burgundy plaid with snooze. The blue. Saw those before. And the green says follow la la la. And then also in the pants set, I saw out of the corner of my eye, Marion Bright has a straight leg. Weekend has a jogger. What else do we got? I know you guys don't like when I walk around, so I do apologize. How cute the new Nordstrom Look for Less pajamas in the red. Has that white pipe detailing. Relax through the wrist, so soft, stretchy. Has the wide leg pant. So red with the white is now. I love that one. There's a green one with the hunter green trim. There's leopard, black with the pink. The purple with the blue and the little Christmas carolers. And then we saw the blue and star and the gray with the leopards, and those sets are $20.98. Seamless long sleeve tees from No Boundaries. These have the crew neckline, fitted through the wrist, a shorter boxy fit. Ivory with the cherry. I think that might be it. Oh no, Drama Queen with the blue. And they're $7.98. Seeing for the first time, they have Joy Spun sleep shirts with the long sleeve. So these are super soft, to 60% cotton, crew neckline with the pocket. In the pink, there's black, the blue and white stripe, and the gray, and they're $11.98. I have a new pumpkin spice queen pajama. I don't think we saw that one. Look at cute stuff here. And we saw the little cowgirl spooky. We didn't see this one either. Game day with the gray socks. I don't remember seeing that. Let's see, we saw the skeletons. We saw the cat one. Hey, but we saw no Skims dupes from No Boundaries. So they have that mock neckline. It's that same kind of stretchy material as the Skims, but they're like $100. Fitted through the wrist. Same fit through the back. And the new burgundy also comes in black. They also have sneak peek skim dupe jackets. These are stretchy. It's that cotton rib material. Fitted through the wrist, the hood in the back. In the black, they also have that burgundy. And they're $19.98. So have the Skims bodysuit dupes back, but now they have the fall burgundy. So they have the thick strap, scoop neckline. It is that romper short style. And then the seam in the back also comes in this beige and the gray. Also did an outfit with this little skirt for Goofy. It's in the maternity section, but I don't see why it runs a little bigger. This is the small. But I feel like I'm a medium usually, and this wouldn't be too bad. It's a super soft, stretchy. These are only $15. They have the built-in shorts. They also have it in the black. So if you need a little active skirt, these are really nice. Or the Goofy outfit. They also have the seamless twill leggings from Warner's out. So these are dig-free, fitted through the legs, seamless in the black and white, and they're $9.97. Joy spun tight, so they have the fashion ones with the little dots in the black and white, and then there's a black and navy. And then they also have a fishnet lace and then a solid black. The 2-pack is $11.97. There's two, just thick black. They only have the Swiss dot. We didn't get the fleece lined yet. They also have this new crisscross pattern. You get one gray. And then these are footless, thick black. Those are also $11.97. Women's, we don't have many coats, but they have these new jackets in the men's section from George. So these have the smaller collar snap. It's really nice plush. It's a flannel material, has the button detail, and then the seam fit through the back. And they're $27.98. I have the Halloween tees here. They don't have them. I drove a little bit today. If I was in the area to stop in, but look how cute the Halloween tee with the hats. They have Skeleton Jack, Waldo. This was like a huge hit for me last year. I should do that one again. Oh my goodness, Dr. Seuss's now. How cute. And then Chucky. Last year I did Chucky, or like a guy look, and then right next to it I did, what's her name? I can't think of her. You know, the blonde one, Jennifer Tilly. But it's really cute. And then they have Harry Potter. Tiffany. That's Tiffany. And then Shrek is really cute. And Mike Wazowski. The trend where you ask like your parent, especially like if they're from New York, New Jersey area, if they knew Mike Wazowski in school, and they always say yes. And I'm pretty sure I asked my mom and she said yes, she knew who he was. That's Mike Wazowski. And those sets are only $11.98. So new in the men's are these fleece jackets from Ozark Trail. So these are mock neck, drop sleeve. I just sized down one. They have a black, taupe, orange, and the gray. Like a good North Face look for less, and these are $22.98. Some new US Polo bags. So they have this new top handle. It has that grommet detailing, the little jockey in the black. Also comes in the brown, and they're $32. Also have new from US Polo, this little flap crossbody. So it has the contrast stitching in the green, also in black, and those are $28. So new crossbody bag from US Polo. So look how pretty the pink with the burgundy. And then they also have this denim, and they're $20. Also from US Polo are these mini backpacks. They have that top zip, that same kind of nylon strap. In the nude, the plum, black, and denim, those are $32. And then right underneath, they have this new top handle bag. The little polo, black, green, and brown, and those are $36. Bag charms, they have this little chain. It says New York City. They also have this little chain that kind of looks like Christian Dior with the little CJ. And then how cute is this one with the horses? And those are these two. It says $5.98. The New York one with the pretzel and the taxi is $7.97. New nylon bags. These are like the Prada dupes. Has that zip. Little coin purse, now in the green, also in the burgundy, and they're $17.98. Wedges from Time and True. So these have that rounded toe, the faux Sherpa trim. These look really comfortable. I also saw them in black online. They had the black faux suede with this black faux Sherpa, and these are $29.98. Platform slippers from Joyspun. So this one has that foam bottom. The top feels like it is genuine suede. What does it say? Made from recycled polyester. This does feel like suede. Usually the Joyspun does suede at the top, but these are $24.98. And they brought back these little slippers. So these are genuine suede with the fur trim. Now in the beige with the leopard. Also in the black with the gray. Those are $20.98. Here are these little rhinestone slippers from Joyspun. They have the round toe, faux fur, and the beige with the gold and then black, and these are $20.98. So new these are from No Boundaries. These have that platform, go high with the crisscross, and the beige, also in the burgundy, and they're $22.98. The little bear slippers, these have the round toe, the little chenille look, and these are $15.98. So seeing a new color in the bow rhinestone slippers from Joyspun. So these have the round toe. It's open with the rhinestones. We saw this light blue. Now they have black. The rhinestones, and they're $15.98. Cute are these from Deer Foams. They have the round toe Sherpa, gel infused with the hard bottom, and these are $27. Also have these new Sherpa slides from Deer Foams. These also have the open toe in the green, brown, and beige, and they're $18. New UGG style slippers from Mucklucks. These have the round toe, faux suede, has the little toggle rubbered bottom, and these are $19. Also knit slippers from Mucklucks. These have the round toe, that cable knit, the faux Sherpa bottom, and they're $19. Also new fold over boots from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, this little zipper detail with the buckle. It's a little bit of a heel, and these are $39.98. Also have these new South Combat boots from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, chunky platform bottom. They're lace up, and these are $31.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.